Apple glasses, what we know so far. Over the past few years, there has been much speculation about Apple's entry into the augmented reality (AR) market and the potential release of Apple glasses. While Apple has not officially announced the release of this product, there have been several leaks and rumors that provide us with some insight into what we can expect. Firstly, it is important to understand what Apple glasses are likely to be. Apple glasses are a wearable device that allows users to experience augmented reality (AR) content. AR is the ability to overlay digital information on the real world, allowing users to interact with their surroundings in new and exciting ways. One of the most significant rumors about Apple glasses is that they will be a standalone device. This means that they will not need to be paired with an iPhone or other Apple device to function. Instead, they will have their own operating system, similar to the Apple Watch. This would make Apple glasses a completely new product category for Apple and a significant step forward in the wearable technology market. Another rumor about Apple glasses is that they will have multiple cameras and sensors that will enable them to detect and track the user's surroundings. This will allow the glasses to provide an accurate AR experience, with digital objects appearing to be integrated seamlessly into the real world. Additionally, it is rumored that Apple glasses will have voice control, allowing users to interact with the device hands-free. There have also been reports that Apple is developing its own AR content for Apple glasses. This would include a range of apps and experiences designed specifically for the device, such as virtual try-on experiences for shopping or immersive gaming experiences. Finally, it is worth noting that Apple has been working on AR technology for many years, and the company has made several acquisitions of AR-focused startups. This suggests that Apple glasses will not be a simple accessory to the iPhone, but rather a significant new product that will represent a new direction for the company. Whilst we do not know everything about Apple glasses yet, the rumors and leaks suggest that they will be a groundbreaking new product category for Apple. With standalone functionality, advanced sensors and cameras, and the potential for unique AR content, Apple glasses have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. We can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us with this exciting new product.